Hi guys, happy new year to you all. I hope you enjoy this festive period. So guys, I'll be making this lovely dashing beautiful bag here. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thank you so much guys. I love you all and God bless you. So guys, this is the full body of the bag I'll be making. So the length is 6 inches and the width of the bag is 18 inches. So I'm just going to cut the front and the back of this bag. So sorry I've not been doing a voice record. I've been so very busy, and you guys know how festive period looks like, work. So guys, please follow every bit of this video, every step of this video. Please make sure you watch from beginning to the end, so that you can understand this tutorial. This is the zip band. The length is 1.5 and the width is 13 inches. So I'll be stitching my zip cloth on this leather. Guys, at this stage you need to pay attention to this aspect. You need to really watch it carefully, just like I'm showing you guys the measurements. Please watch this video very well and see all the measurements and make use of it. This tutorial is basically for you guys to watch and have an idea of what you are going to do. So it's just for you to have an idea of what you want to do and create your own pattern. So please watch this aspect carefully so you can get it right. Guys, here I'm stitching the zip band to the main body of the bag. So guys, basically guys, this tutorial here is for you guys to watch and for you guys to learn one or two things from, and this is the first time I'm making this design, so basically I'm just using it for a practice for you guys to watch and for you guys to also, you know, have an idea of how to go about yours. And I hope you guys are going to do it better than what I'm doing it right now. This is, guys, this is the inner part of the bag, which is the lining, the inner lining. So you just have to use the main body measurement, the outer part body measurement, and also the zip band measurement to bring out your inner lining. Guys, this undo aspect here, you can, you can decide to do it, you can decide to, to use another method to make yours. So I'm just going to use sellotape to seal the two, and also use glue. Actually, I make use of glue first before using the sellotape, so you guys are not going to see that, right? So you can use any method to make yours. This is just a DIY for you guys to watch and for you guys to see. So guys, please, this is the end of today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and love it. Please make your comment, and thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and God bless you.